Are you ready to see different types of trucks? Let's wave hello and clap our hands.
Vroom, vroom, it's a pickup truck, driving fast to the work site soon.
Pickup truck helps carry things, tools and bags and little things. What do we see? A dump truck lifted high up to the sky.
Dump truck moves
Big loads of sand, rocks and soil across the land.
Nina.
Look, a fire truck.
Red and bright, day and night.
Fire truck sprays water fast, putting fires out at last.
Beep, beep.
Here's a tow truck, strong and tough when roads get rough. Tow truck helps broken cars, takes them safe not very far.
Point and say, a garbage truck, big and wide on every side.
Garbage truck picks trash away, keeps our town clean every day.
Swish, swish.
Here's a sweeper truck, brushing streets to keep them neat.
Sweeper truck.
Sweeps up dirt and leaves, making roads tidy for our feet.
Round and round,
A cement truck.
mixing concrete on the ground.
Cement truck mixes smooth and slow, helping buildings grow and grow. What do we see? A delivery truck.
Box by box, knock, knock, knock.
Delivery truck brings things to you, packages big and packages too.